Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own professional resume using Wix. A great resume helps you stand out, and with Wix, it's super easy to design one that looks amazing. Start by going to the Wix website. On the homepage, click Explore, and go to Inspiring Websites, then click First Design, and scroll down to click here, choose Explore Wix Templates. Here you'll find tons of ready-made designs. In the search bar, type Resume to see templates made just for that. Pick a design that fits your style, modern, simple, or classic, then click Edit. Now you can customize everything. Add your name, experience, and education, and adjust colors, fonts, and images to make it unique. Once you're done, save your work and either publish your resume online or download it to share with employers. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've built a clean, professional resume with Wix. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.